Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today we've got a Matchbox by Lesney E-Series Jaguar. Chipped up, messed up, played with. Definitely in need of a resto. Start as usual with our drilling out the rivet post. Now the front one. Not much interior. The glass was in super good condition. The interior was actually very clean. Which I'll detail that a little later and dip them both in the pledge. Into the stripper. No, no, yeah. I had to come back and dip the base. Forgot to at that moment. This is out of the stripper. Had a few casting lines on it. Hitting it with my Scotch-Brite. Here we are, getting some primer on it. Using the white Krylon. Then I'll put it into the oven and bake it on. I lost a little bit of footage on the mineral spirits wash. Come on. There you go. When I redo my shop, I'll have better camera angles for the paint booth area. I promise. went ahead and scraped the paint for the door handles. Then I thought, well, I'll do the bumper, but I changed my mind later. It was too hard to scrape off all the way down without hitting the primer for some reason. Here's our glass getting washed. Like I said, it was in really super good condition, considering how play-worn the car was. No cracks, no chips, no spider webs. And after it dried, I dipped it in our pledge. Like I said earlier, I went ahead and dipped the interior also. Here's all of our parts ready for reassembly. I think you'll notice that I had to do a wheel swap while taking off the little metal spokes wheels. I lost one. It spun off, and I have no idea where it's at the current moment. If I ever find it, I'll put it back on. Put them back on. Here's what we started with. Play-worn, chipped, dirty. Number 32 Lesney Matchbox Jaguar E-Series. Here's what we ended up with. A lot of detail put back in. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. This is Opal saying goodbye for now. By the way, the paint is a pearl blue.